hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 11. Chapter number 11, that is time and temperature. Okay class, now these are our learning objectives class. Let's start the chapter. The clock given below shows the numbers of seconds taken by the second hand to complete one round of the clock. One round of the clock, study the position of the second hand and fill in the blank class. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute and 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. Class C, यहाँ पर 7:30, यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है टाइम 7:30, सो 0 सेकेंड्स. यहाँ पर क्लास 5 सेकेंड्स. सी, यहाँ पर तो कोई ये ग्रीन वन जो हमारी वो है निडल, ये क्या है हमारी सेकेंड, सो यहाँ पर 5 सेकेंड्स. नाउ हेयर 10 सेकेंड्स. नाउ सी क्लास 0, 55 seconds. C class 50 second and here is 45 second. 40, 35, 35 and it is 27 seconds. Now 25, 20 and 15 seconds. Understand class? Here is 30 seconds. Now class C. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 0 seconds. Understand class? This is a green one is second hand, blue one is minute hand and pink one is hour hand. Understand class? Now write the time in the box for the clock given on the left side. Read and draw the hands on the face of the clock given on the right side. Class C. It is 7:30 after 10 minutes, 7:40 after 10 minutes. So 7:40. Understand class? Now 7:40. And here is 3:25. 3:25 after 25 minutes. Class C. Class यहाँ पर 25. Now 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it is 3:50. And we make the needle like this. 3:50. Understand? Rest of the part do yourself class. Now till now you have learned to read time from a clock and conversion of the days into hours and hours into minutes. अब आपने यहाँ तक क्या पढ़ा है क्लास? रीड टाइम फ्रॉम, अब आपने क्लॉक में टाइम देखना पढ़ा है, कन्वर्जन ऑफ डेज इनटू आवर्स and hours into minutes or minutes into hours. We shall now extend this concept further. अब हम इसको concept को आगे और extend करके पढ़ेंगे क्लास. The 24-hour clock. We normally use the 12-hour clock to measure time. However, air services, railway, shipping lines, defense forces and television networks throughout the world use the 24-hour clock. A 24-hour clock dial may be visualized as the one given alongside class C. Under this system, 4 digits are used to indicate the time. The first 2 digits show the hours and the last 2 digits show the minutes. See, the day starts at 12 midnight and it's written as 4 times 0 hours. The following table shows the 12-hour clock time and the corresponding 24-hour clock time. See class, 12-hour clock time 24, 12-hour clock time 24-hour clock time. Now 12 midnight, see class, 24 hours. Now 12 p.m, 12 hours. 10 a.m, so 10 hours. 12:59 p.m, 12:59 hours. Now see similarly like this. तो क्लास हमारे पास सी क्लास यहाँ पर 1 AM 1 hours So 2 p.m. 14 hours. Now 2 a.m. So 2 hours. 5:20 p.m. 7:20 hours. Now 5:30 a.m. 5:30 hours. 9:45 so 21:45 hours. 11:15 a.m. hours. Similarly 11:59 p.m. so 23:59 hours. 12 noon 12 hours. 12 midnight 24 hours. Understand class? To convert 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. Rule number 1, time from midnight 4 times 0 hours to 12 noon if the numbers formed by first two digits from the left of a 24-hour clock is less than 12. Up class C. Left of a 24-hour clock time is less than 12, then it is denotes the number of hours before noon and so am it is used with it. Okay, see examples. 0535 hours denotes 5:35 am because it is less than 12. Now B, hours denotes 9:20 am. Rule number 2, 12 hours denotes 12 noon. Rule number 3, time from 12:01 to 12:59 hours if the numbers formed by the first two digits from the left of 24-hour clock time is 12 other than 12 then PM is to be used with it. Examples 12:01 hours denote 12:01. 12:45 denotes are 12:45 PM. Okay. Now rule number 4, time from 13 hours to 2400 hours if the numbers formed by the first two digits from the left 24 hours clock time is 13 or more. Then the difference between that number and 12 gives the number of hours and PM. Okay class, is to be used with it. See the example 13 hours denotes 1 PM. 17:45, 5:45, 12, 24 hours denotes 12 midnight. Example, write the following in terms of AM or PM or noon or midnight. Class 13, 20, so 1, 20 PM now 08:05 so 8 5 a.m. 12 hours 24 12 hours 12 noon 16:08 4:08 p.m. Okay class, using the rules for converting 24 hours clock time and 12-hour clock time we have class C. अब हम उसको AM और PM में हमने उसको convert किया है like this. Understand? Now come on the exercise 11.1. Question number 1, convert to 24-hour clock time. C class. Now class 3 am so 0 3 00 hours. Now class B 5:15 am so 0 5:15 hours. Okay class, rest of the parts do yourself class. Now come on question number 2, convert to 12-hour clock time. Okay, हमें 12 hour में उसको change करना है. Now so it is 5:30 am. क्लास मैंने इसको am क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि ये लेस देन है 12 से. Yes क्लास, मैंने इसको क्यों लिखा था? Because it is less than 12. Now B part is 00:25 hours, so it is 12:25 am. Understand class? Now rest of the parts do yourself class. Rest of the parts do yourself. Now clocks with 3 hands. Clock with 3 hands. Now in some clocks apart from the hour hand and the minute hand there is a third hand called the second hand. Okay, third one क्या होता है? Second hand. The second hand makes a full round in 1 minute and the time in which it moves between two successive and small division is called a second. The 60 second is equal to 1 minute. Now conversion of time. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute 60 second, 1 day 24 hours, 1 week 7 days, 1 fortnight 2 weeks, or 14 days, 1 year, 12 months, 1 year is equal to 365 days, or 1 leap year has 366 days. Now converting higher units into lower units. Example number 1, convert 3 days into hours. Of class C, we know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours, so 3 days is equal to 3 multiplied by 24 hours is equal to 72 hours. Now B part, 5 days 18 hours. तो क्लास अब हमारे पास आवर्स तो हैं ही, हम डेज को चेंज करेंगे और आवर्स को उसमें ऐड कर देंगे. नाउ 5 multiplied by 24 hours, it is 120 hours plus 18 hours, 138 hours. Now example number 2, convert 2 days 16 hours 30 minutes into minutes. अब क्लास सी, मेरे पास मिनट्स को हमें चेंज करना, तो मैं मिनट्स को जैसे हैं वैसे ही रहने दूंगी. नाउ 2 days प्लस 16 आवर्स, सो पहले हम उसको आवर्स में चेंज करेंगे, सो इट इज 2 multiplied by 24 प्लस 16 आवर्स प्लस 30 मिनट्स, नाउ 48 आवर्स. अब क्लास ये दोनों क्या हो गए, आवर्स आवर्स. नाउ 64 आवर्स प्लस 30 मिनट्स, नाउ 64 into 60, so 3840 minutes, then 30 plus 30, it is 3870 minutes. Okay, now example number 3, convert 2 hours 36 minutes 18 seconds into seconds. 2 hours 36 minutes 18 seconds into seconds. to 2 hours हमने 60 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, उसको मिनट्स में चेंज किया, then 36 minutes plus 18 seconds. नाउ मैंने उसको ऐड किया, 156 minutes plus 18 seconds, now multiply by 60, so 9360 seconds plus 18 seconds, 9378 seconds. Now example number 4, convert 3 years 8 months into months. So we have 3 years 8 months, so years multiply by 12, so 12 3s are 36 months plus 8 months 44 months. Now 4 weeks 5 days, so weeks को multiply करेंगे हम, days में change करेंगे. 4 sevens are 28 days, 28 days plus 5 days is equal to 33 days. Now converting lower units into higher units. Now convert 754 minutes into hours and minutes. Now 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Now 756 is equal to divided by 60 hours, so it is 12 hours 34 minutes. जो हमारा क्वेश्चन होगा वो हमारे आवर्स होंगे, जो रिमाइंडर होगा वो हमारे मिनट्स होंगे क्लास. Now example number 2, convert 2146 seconds into minutes and seconds. Now we know that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Okay, so seconds divided by 60, so it is 35 minutes 46 seconds. Understand? Now hence 2146 seconds is equal to 35 minutes 46 seconds. Now example number 3, convert 664 hours into days and hours. We know that 24 hours is equal to 1 day, so हमने उसको divide किया 24 से, so 27 days 16 hours. Hence this 666 hours 664 hours is equal to 27 days 16 hours. Now example number 4, convert 365 days into weeks and days. Now we know that 7 days is equal to 1 week. So divided by 365 divided by 7, 52 weeks in 1 day. 52 weeks 1 day. Now hence 52 weeks 1 day. Okay. 52 weeks and 1 day. Now class, come on exercise 11.2. Question number 1, convert into seconds. So multiply by 60. 60s are 18, 0, 180 seconds. Now again multiply by 60. 6 8s are 48, 480 seconds. Rest of the parts do yourself class. Now question number 2, convert into minutes and seconds. So we have to divide by 60. So class, question number 2, A part is 130 seconds. Convert into minutes and seconds. So class, 130 divided by 60. So 62s are 120. So it is 10. Okay, so 2 minute. Now class 2 minute 10 seconds. Okay. Now class see the B part. B part is 270 seconds. Now 270 divided by 60. Now 6 fours are 24. So 240, 30. Okay. Now 4 minute 30 seconds. Understand class? Okay. Now class rest of the parts do yourself. Now class C convert into days. So 8 days convert into hours. Convert into hours. So 8 days multiply by 24. Class C. Because 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 24 multiplied by 8 it is 192 hours. Now class again multiply by 24. So 17 multiplied by 24 C class. 7 4s are 28. 7 ones 4 sevens are 28. Carry 2. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 6. 2 sevens are 44. Carry 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. So 408 hours in 7 days. Okay, rest of the part do yourself class. Now question number 4 convert into days. Convert into days. Now class 6 weeks. Now 1 week is equal to 7 days. Now 7 multiplied by 7 6 sevens are 42 days. 42 days class. Now 5 weeks 8 days. Now 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35 plus 8 is equal to 43 days. Understand rest of the parts? Do yourself class. Now addition and subtraction of time. Example number 1 add 8 hours 45 minutes and 6 hours 35 minutes class. Step 1 write under the correct heading add the minutes. Now class C like this. 45 minutes, 35 minutes, 80 minutes, 60 minutes plus 20 minutes, 1 hour is 1 hour and 20 minutes. Write 20 in the minutes column and carry 1 hour to hours column. Step 3 add the hours 8 hours plus 6 hours. 1 hour carried over is equal to 15 hours. Write 15 in the hours column. Answer is 15 hours 20 minutes class. Now example number 2 8 12 hours 25 minutes 35 seconds and 9 hours 40 minutes 45 seconds. Step 1 write under the correct heading like this. Step 2 add the seconds. Now 80 seconds 60 seconds plus 20 seconds 1 minute and 20 seconds. Write 20 under second columns and carry 1 to the minutes column. Step 3 add the minutes 25 minutes plus 40 minutes plus 1 minute carry over 66 minutes 60 minutes plus 60 minutes plus 6 minutes 1 hour 6 minutes. Write 6 under the minutes column and carry 1 to hours column. Okay. Now step 4 add the hours 12 hours plus 9 hours plus 1 hour 22 hours. Write 22 under the hours column class. So answer is 22 hours 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Example number 3 subtract 7 hours 35 minutes from 9 hours 20 minutes. Step 1 write the bigger number above the smaller one. बड़े नंबर को हम ऊपर रखेंगे. Okay, under the same unit column. Step 2 35 minutes cannot be subtracted from 20 minutes class. Okay, so regroup hours into hours and minutes. Okay, 1 hour from the hours column is taken to make 60 minutes plus 20 minutes, leaving 8 hours in the hours column. Subtract the minutes. 80 minutes minus 35 minutes is equal to 45 minutes. Step 4 subtract the hours. 8 hours minus 7 hours 1 hour. So answer is 1 hour 45 minutes. Now class example number 4 subtract 12 hours 25 minutes 40 seconds from 20 hours. Step 1 write under the same unit like this. Step 2 there are no seconds and no minutes. in the minute. So we need to regroup as shown like this. Step 3, subtract the seconds. 60 seconds minus 40 seconds is equal to 60 is equal to 20 seconds. Step 4, subtract the minutes. 59 minutes minus 25 minutes is equal to 34 minutes. Now step 5, subtract the hours. 19 hours minus 12 hours, 7 hours. Answer is 7 hours, 34 minutes, 20 seconds class. Now class, come on exercise 11.3. Question number 1, add the following units of time. Question number 1, it is hours column and minutes column. 8 hours, 12 minutes, 7 hours, 56 minutes. Now class, add them. 6 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 1, 6, 8 plus 7, 15. So 15 hours, 68 मिनट क्लास. अब क्लास सी, यहाँ पर 68 मिनट्स है तो हम इसको आवर्स को हम इसको 1 कैरी कर देंगे. सो 15 plus 1 and here is 8 minutes. So answer is 16. Answer is 16 hours 8 minutes. 16 hours 8 minutes class. Understand class? It is answer. Now B part class, hours column and minutes. Now 12 hours 45 minutes, 12 hours 45 minutes and 6 hours 48 minutes. Then add them. 8 plus 5 13, 3, carry 1, 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 class. C class 93 minutes. 93 minutes. Now 93 minus 60. So class 33 minutes. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 18 plus 1 19, 19 hours 33 minutes क्लास. अंडरस्टैंड क्लास? जब हमारी मिनट्स ज्यादा होते हैं तो हम उसको कैरी ओवर कर देते हैं, फॉरवर्ड कर देते हैं यहाँ पर. ओके क्लास? यस क्लास. A and B part is done. Rest of the parts do yourself class. Now question number 2, subtract the following units of time. Now A part 16 hours 25 minutes from 19 hours 35 minutes. Now question number 2, hours and minutes. 19 hours 35 minutes, 16 hours 25 minutes. Minus class, 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 3 minus 2 1 and 19 minus 16 3. So answer is 3 hours 10 minutes. Okay class. Now class C B part. 8 hours 10 minutes from 10 hours. Up class 10 hours and minutes. 10 hours from 8 hours 10 minutes. Class यहाँ पर कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं है. So we will put the 0. So 0 0. 9 minus 1 8. Okay. Now 9 minus 8 1. Now class C. अब यहाँ पर 80 minutes है. So minus 60 minutes. So 20 minutes and then add 2 hours 20 minutes. यहाँ पर हमने 80 मिनट्स को चेंज कर दिया, यहाँ पर उसको आवर्स को हमने इंक्रीज कर दिया. तो 12 hours 20 minutes class. Okay, I hope you all have understood very well. Now class A and B part is done. Rest of the parts do yourself. Now calculation of duration of an activity. Now example number 1, our school begins 8:30 am. Okay, and is over by 2:10 pm. How long does the school function? First method 12-hour clock duration from 8:30 a.m. to 12 noon 3 hours 3:30 minutes. Duration from 12 noon to 2:10 for 2 hours plus 2 hours 10 minutes. Total time तो हमने hours को add किया so 5 hours 40 minutes. Now class second method 24-hour clock time. 24-hour clock के according हम करेंगे we change to 24-hour clock time and then subtract 8:30 2:10 को हमने like this then subtract so it is 5 hours 40 minutes. So our answer will remain same. Okay, now example number 2. A train leaves Ranchi at 9:50 a.m. on Friday and reaches Aloka at 4:30 a.m. on Saturday. Find the total time taken by the train. Also find duration from 9:50 a.m. to midnight. Changing to 24-hour clock time, we have 9:50 a.m. तो हमने उसको माइनस किया है क्लास 24 आवर्स में से 9:50 को सो 14 hours 10 minutes. Duration from midnight to 4:30. It is 4:30 midnight, so 4 hours 30 minutes. Total duration is 18 hours 40 minutes. Okay. Now class see example number 3. What time was 3 hours 35 minutes before 2:10 p.m. Use 24-hour clock time. Now अब हमने इसको क्या किया है चेंज किया है 24-hour क्लॉक टाइम में देन हमने 3:35 को माइनस कर दिया सो 10 hours 35 minutes or 10:35 a.m. Now example number 4. John went on leave on March 13 and joined duty on April 15. For how many days was he on leave? Number of days of leave in March 31 minus 12 19 days तो नहीं गए वो ओके नाउ अप्रैल में 14 days total 30. Understand? Yes class, now come on exercise 11.4. Question number 1. The annual function of a school started 6:15 p.m. ठीक स्कूल में क्लास एनुअल फंक्शन हो रहा है वो कब स्टार्ट हो रहा है 6:15 p.m. पे एंड एंडेड एट 10:30 p.m. और वो कब खत्म हो रहा है 10:30 p.m. हाउ लॉन्ग डिड द फंक्शन लास्ट यस क्लास हाउ लॉन्ग डिड द फंक्शन लास्ट तो फंक्शन कितने टाइम तक चला है क्लास तो हम ऐसे देख सकते हैं क्लासेस को लाइक सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 द एनुअल फंक्शन स्टार्ट कब हुआ था क्लास को 6:15 पर स्टार्ट हुआ था ओके तो हम 6:15 से पहले 10:15 तक का जो टाइम है वो निकाल लेते हैं सो 6:15 7 8 9 10 सो कितने आवर्स हो गए क्लास 4 आवर्स हो गए वो कितने आवर्स 4 आवर्स अब बट टाइम क्या था हमारा 10:30 था तो 10:30 में से हम 10:15 को माइनस कर देंगे तो 15 माइनस 15 सो 4 hours 15 minutes हमारा फंक्शन जो था वो चला ओके क्लास 4 hours 15 minutes सो हमने क्या किया 6:15 से पहले 7:15 से 8:15 8:15 से 9:15 एंड 9:15 से 10:15 सो 1 2 3 एंड 4 hours हो गए क्लास 1 2 3 4 hours अंडरस्टैंड क्लास और यहाँ पर टाइम क्या था 10:30 था तो हमने 10:30 में से 10:15 को माइनस किया सो 15 मिनट्स 4 hours 15 मिनट्स जो हमारा फंक्शन था वो चला ओके नाउ क्लास रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट्स डू योरसेल्फ नाउ क्लास कैलकुलेटिंग डेज sometimes we may need to find out for how many days a certain event or activity took place sometimes we may need to find कभी कभी हमें क्लास क्या होता है हमें जरूरत पड़ती है find out how many days कितने डेज सर्टेन इवेंट्स एक्टिविटी टुक प्लेस हमारे जो इवेंट्स होते हैं एक्टिविटीज होती है वो कितने दिन तक वो उसको चला हमने उसको कितने दिन तक वो एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट की थी कब कौन से डे पे स्टार्ट की थी और कौन से डे पे आपने खत्म की तो हमें वो निकालना होता है क्लास फॉर दिस वी मस्ट नो द नंबर ऑफ डेज हमें उसके लिए नंबर ऑफ डेज की जरूरत पड़ती है क्लास लाइक आपने कोई भी एक्टिविटी मंडे टू सैटरडे की है सो हमारे पास क्या हो गया मंडे टू सैटरडे तो हम वो डेज को काउंट कर लेंगे ओके इन ईच मंथ ऑफ द ईयर वी हैव लर्न इट इन द प्रीवियस क्लास जनवरी March, May, June, and August, October, and December have 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October, and December have कितने months, कितने days of होते हैं उसमें? 31 days होते हैं class. And April, June, September, and November have 30 days. February. अब class C. April, June, September, and November have 30 days. इसमें कितने days होते हैं? How many days? 30 days. Now February has either 28 or 29 days according to the leap year. Okay. To find the finishing date, starting date plus duration is equal to finishing date. ये क्या होगा class? Starting date plus duration is equal to finishing date. Understand? We need to count forward to find the finishing date. We cannot count in parts. Okay. Class. Example number 1. Mona started a piece of embroidery on 6th July. Mona ने started piece of embroidery. उसने कब start किया था? 6 जुलाई को start किया था. She finished it 30 days later. She finished it 34 days later. और उसने उसको 34 days के बाद खत्म किया. Now on which date did she finish? Now class 6th July to 31st July. 26 days because जुलाई में 31 डेज होते हैं. ओके, सो हमने 6 जुलाई से 31 जुलाई तक 26 डेज हो गए क्लास. 1 अगस्त टू 8 अगस्त कितने हो गए क्लास? 8 डेज, सो 34 डेज. अंडरस्टैंड? हमने उनको प्लस किया. 26 प्लस 8 34 डेज. मोना फिनिश द वर्क ऑन 8 अगस्त. अंडरस्टैंड क्लास? नाउ टू फाइंड द स्टार्टिंग डेट. यहाँ पर हमने क्लास फिनिशिंग डेट वो की थी फाइंड आउट. यहाँ पर हम स्टार्टिंग डेट को फाइंड करेंगे. वी काउंट बैक टू फाइंड द स्टार्टिंग डेट. वी काउंट बैक. नाउ कम ऑन एग्जांपल नंबर 2. राजू वेंट फॉर 50 days holiday and returned on 10th October. And returned on 10th October. When did his holiday begin? 50 days की हॉलीडेज थी और वो वापस आए 10th October को. Now class return date 10th October to 1st October is equal to 10 days. Okay. 30 September to 1st September 30 days. 31st August to 22nd August 10 days. Raju started his holidays on 22 August. अब क्लास सी हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया? बैक मतलब क्या किया था हमने? वी काउंट बैक. हम यहाँ पर उल्टा हमने किया था. क्लास सी अगेन. नाउ रिटर्न डेट 10th October to 1st October क्या हो गई? 10 डेज हो गए. एंड 30 September to 1st September 30 days. And 31st August to 2nd August 2nd August 10 days. So how many days? 50 days. Raju started his holiday on 22nd August. Understand class? Now class, come on exercise 11.5. Yes class, come on question number 1. The summer vacation in the school started on 5th May and finished on 30th June. Calculate the number of days and school was closed. Number of days the school was closed. Now class C. Question number 1. Now class 5th May. 5th May. Now class 5th May to 31st May. How many days? Yes class, 5th May to 31st May. Plus how many days? 26 days. Okay. Now 1st June to 30th June is equal to 30 days. Okay class, now add them. So 56 days school was closed. Okay class. Now 26 plus 30 so 50 cut. So 56 days. Okay. Yes class. Now 56 days the school was closed. Okay. Rest of the parts class do yourself. Now students come on temperature. The measure of hotness or coldness of a body is known as temperature. हम अपनी बॉडी की टेम्परेचर क्लास हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस को ऑफ अ बॉडी नोन एज टेम्परेचर. ओके. द टेम्परेचर ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज मेजर्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ थर्मामीटर. हम कैसे अपना क्लास आपने कभी अपना फीवर को अपने आप को मेजर किया होगा फीवर तो आपको कैसे पता चलता है उसको थर्मामीटर से. तो हम अपने जो बॉडी टेम्परेचर होता है वो किससे मेजर करते हैं वो थर्मामीटर से मेजर करते हैं. Doctors use a clinical thermometer to measure the temperature of a human body. Okay, doctors क्या करते हैं क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर का यूज करते हैं टू मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बॉडी. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ स्केल्स टू मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ अ बॉडी. बस टू टाइप्स के स्केल्स होते हैं. द टू स्केल्स आर सेल्सियस स्केल एंड फारेनहाइट स्केल. Celsius and Fahrenheit. The temperature on Celsius scale is read in degrees Celsius and that on the Fahrenheit scale is read as in degree Fahrenheit. Okay. हम सेल्सियस स्केल में करते हैं तो हम डिग्री सेल्सियस का वो करते हैं उसको रीड करते हैं. ओके. एंड फारेनहाइट स्केल के लिए हम डिग्री फारेनहाइट का यूज करते हैं. ओके क्लास. नाउ सेल्सियस स्केल. द मेट्रिक सिस्टम यूज द सेल्सियस स्केल फॉर द मेजरमेंट ऑफ अ टेम्परेचर. On the Celsius scale, water freezes at 0 degree Celsius and boils at 100 degree Celsius. Now, the normal temperature of a human body on Celsius scale is 37 degree Celsius. Okay, class C. Fahrenheit Celsius. C. This is the now see normal body temperature 100 degree boiling point of water, 21 degree Celsius room temperature, 0 degree freezing point of water. Understand class? Now Fahrenheit scale. The Fahrenheit scale is another scale for the measurement of temperature. Understand class? On the Fahrenheit scale, water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit and boils at 212 Fahrenheit. The normal temperature of human body on the Fahrenheit scale is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, normal temperature क्या होता है हमारा human body का on the Fahrenheit scale तो वो होता है 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay class. Now class come on exercise 11.6. Understand? Now read the temperature on the thermometer shown below and write it in the space provided. Write it in the space provided. Class C. 5 degrees Celsius. Here 20 degree Celsius. Now class, rest of the part do yourself class. Now class, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.